when you hear a car go brrr, and they go pow, pow, pow. Why is that cool?
Why isn't it cool, I guess is my answer.
Why are we doing this at 9 a.m.? You rushed me out the door. I was hangry. Didn't even feed me.
Welcome to I know how you feel. I don't know why these always happen at 9 a.m.
That's who was the early bird that decided that 9 a.m. was gonna be the deal? Oh wow, everybody's popping out.
There you go. Yeah, you did. They already know the name.
I had to lap twice to find a spot.
Is it dying out or was it that busy?
I parked all the way down there.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm doing the loop to get to.
Dude, it's so full.
What's up, man? How you doing?
Good.
Hey, man.
It seems full.
How's the turnout today?
It's actually really good. There's a lot of cool shit here.
People haven't started leaving yet, right?
What?
People haven't started leaving yet, right?
No. There's still some people coming in.
Feel free to walk with me. We're doing the loop to the garage.
All right, yeah. You good if we get in the back?
Sure. Hold on. I gotta find a good spot though.
You want some McDonald's?
No, I'm good. We had snacks on the way over because I woke up at 8:30.
Yeah.
Real.
I fell asleep watching Kai.
This kid woke up at 6:30.
Damn.
He went out to go to eat. I'm still sleeping. It's so bad. I wake up like 10 minutes before we gotta go.
Yeah, well, I fell asleep last night watching Kai Sinat play Elden Ring. Is it making a grinding sound?
No, we're still
You hear that?
A little bit. Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah,
Should we get a flat tire? No. It'd be a lot more bumpy.
Is this making noise on the outside?
Yeah.
Fuck. I bet it's my...
We're gonna stop in the middle of everything? Yeah.
Hell yeah.
The fuck is that noise?
We can take a look at it when we get back to the garage.
Yeah. Just look at it there. Not gonna change.
Is it only when you're moving?
Yeah, but I can't tell like...
Where it's coming from?
Yeah. One day. Maybe not today.
Oh, there's the drone.
Oh.
Look at that chunky dog.
All the cars, you're looking at the dogs?
Yeah.
Hey, we're in a better Mustang. Doesn't matter.
more rare than the one I thought.
Hey,
Where are you going, Kyler? We're going to the moon. Look behind you. I know. Look at that thing, bro.
This is plate. Yeah.
Hey. What the fuck is that? Here, I'm gonna have one of you drive forward.
I got it.
You got it? Okay.
Why can't I do it? Are you gonna be able to get out?
I'm right here. I'm right here.
Hey.
You might want to close the door.
Kyler. Really? Why? Rob,
Alright, park.
don't give Kyler. To the Zimmer Stang's crazy.
Yeah, I get to turn next, right?
He put way too much stuff.
Last time we get the brakes. Check.
I think just the...
Where's your garage at? Is it the one
It's
that's
right there.
Yeah,
Can I pull up a little bit?
Yeah.
Hold my stuff. Like most of
Alright, and David's driving.
Alright.
Just take a turn like a roulette wheel.
Oh yeah.
I gotta do the TikTok every day.
Go
Is it the wheel? What's your question?
When you hear a car go brrr, and they go pow pow pow, why is that cool?
Why isn't it cool? I guess is my answer.
Well, it just seems a little obnoxious. I get that you want to be loud and cool and you want everybody to look at you. But also, like, I'm just wondering, is there like something special with the engine when it goes pow pow pow?
Yeah, usually it means it's got some work done to it. Exhaust.
Okay, but couldn't you just get the same effect by taking off the motor, or like not the motor,
Taking off the motor.
not taking off the motor, taking off the muffler?
Well, that's what some of them do.
That's what some of them do.
Yeah.
Because my Saturn used to sound like that.
Oh yeah.
Mhm.
Okay.
My 2002 beating down 175,000 something ish miles
I didn't know you had a Saturn.
in
Before
high
the Jeep.
school. Yeah, that was before the Jeep. That was before Camilla.